माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I have to make an announcement. I have to make an announcement. I have to make an announcement, please. No, nothing is going on record. Honorable members, I have to inform the House. Promote your decision. Nothing is going on record. Honorable members, I have to make an announcement, an important announcement. Kindly listen to me. Give precedence to the chair. Please, take your seat. I am grateful, sir. Honorable members, under Rule 267 today, an issue was raised. And Deputy Leader of the Congress, Shri Pramod Tiwari, had met me in the chamber also. The issue is with respect to deportation from the US. The Honorable the Honorable External Affairs Minister will be making a statement during course of the day, and looking to the situation, I will allow members to briefly intervene. Is that fine, Honorable Minister? And the External Affairs, Parliamentary Affairs Minister had so agreed.
Considering the importance of the matter, the Foreign Minister has already agreed and made a request to you that he will make a statement at 2 p.m. And all the honorable members also desire that. But about the intervention and the queries, it has to be as per the convention, and I leave it to the chair.
No. 1 second, John, I have chosen to make a statement myself, and I am glad that the Honorable External Affairs Minister himself sought my audience and so indicated that he will be making a statement on the issue during course of the day, and now, as per the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, at 2 p.m. I deem it expedient to allow intervention very briefly by party leaders. Is that fine, sir? I thought you were asking me to observe silence. आप ऐसे करना?
नहीं, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए उंगली उठाया। तो सर ठीक है, धन्यवाद आपने।
तो 2 बजे कर लें सर, बाकी बाकी 2 बजे कर लेंगे जब स्टेटमेंट देंगे।
नहीं, आपने जो इस अमेरिका का जो इंसिडेंट हुआ,
वही 2 बजे
नहीं, उसके बारे में आपने डायरेक्शन दिया, तब सरकार ने उसको मान लिया।
नहीं सर,
सरकार सोमोटो तो नहीं बोलने चाहती थी, लेकिन आपका प्रभाव इतना हो गया कि अल्टीमेटली उनको एग्री होना पड़ा, इसलिए आपको धन्यवाद।
तो मेरा प्रभाव इतना रहा कि ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ने सोमोटो मेरे को आकर ये कह दिया। यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
Sir, I just wanted to say that what you had were gracious enough to mention, which was that I came to you, sir, this morning,
yes,
saying that this is an issue on which the House should be informed.
Yes.
So I'm so glad that this point was brought out by you.
And it is in fitness of things that Parliament should be taken into confidence on all issues of public importance and national importance. So we can express some kind of thanks to the Honorable External Affairs Minister. Question number 31.